Center of curvature, the center of the hollow sphere of which a spherical mirror is a part. Cladding, the outer part of the fiber optics. Communication technology, an electronic-based system of information transmission, reception, processing and retrieval. Compact disc, a molded plastic disc containing digital data that is scanned by a laser beam for the reproduction of recorded sound or other information. Compound microscope, a light microscope that is used to investigate small objects. Compressional waves, the longitudinal waves comprising series of compressions and rarefactions. Computer, an electronic device used to perform mathematical and logical operations at high speed. Convex mirror, a spherical mirror whose outer curved surface is reflecting.